How to see your Google password if forgotten on PC. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the web browser Google Chrome. Once you're in here, make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Tons of different options will be available to you, but click on Password and Autofill, and then head over to Google Password Manager. Well, in this page you can see it says Saved Password will appear here, which means that the password you have saved on your Google account will appear in this page. If you have saved the password of your Gmail account, then it will be available to you in this page. Right now you can see there is no any password, which means that I haven't saved it. But if you want to save it, then you can tap on Add. One interface will pop up where you'll have to enter the password of your account. Simply enter the correct password of your account and then tap on Save. Once you click on Save, the password will be available to you in this page. After that, you can check the password anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see Gmail account password if forgotten on PC. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.